Look at this ginormous Kit Kat. It's fallen right from the heavens. My half is silver. And mine's gold. Don't hog it. I want a bite. What have you done? Look at us. Sarah, where'd you go? I'm done with the aftermath of that explosion. Before we get into it, we need to tidy up a bit in here. I don't really think that's necessary. Better to dig in already. Ooh. Wow, silver gummy eyeballs. Hey, Emma, look over here. What kind of silly joke is that? Stop messing around. All right, calm down. I'm just trying to have some fun. Let's go ahead and lift these lids and get to eating things. Well, that was fast. A real speed record for eating candy eyes. I'm not sure I can live up to that performance, though. Not a bad start. Well done. It looks like there's a smudge on this one. I should wipe them all down. I had no idea you were such a clean freak, but I can use that to my favor. Huh? Emma, stop! That is highly unsanitary. Just look at how filthy those are. My expertise tells me that they're dangerous even. I need to confiscate these now.
Oh no!
Really? Oh goodness, I had no idea that was the case. In the name of safety, these gummy candies will be destroyed. This bites. I was really looking forward to them. So sorry, but I'll take the bullet for you. Delish. What? You tricked me! Huh?
Hey!
It was just a little joke. Don't be so dramatic. Wow! Wow! Where'd this huge box come from? I don't know what I should go for first. But I guess I'll lift my lid. So I just put all these burger ingredients right into the box? Why not see what happens? Sarah, what's going on? Wow! We're about to find out.
Okay.
Whoa! The magic box made me a golden burger. It tastes divine. That looks amazing. What do I have? Ooh, the same start as you did. Great. I'm gonna toss all this inside here as quick as can be. Wow! Wow, it's working. Emma, give me a hand, would you? Just lift it up. Ooh, my shiny silver burger is ready. I'm so excited. Ew, what's that awful taste? How'd a piece of foil end up in there?
What?
I'm not risking eating anymore. I guess something went sort of wrong while it was being prepared. Good thing mine is perfect. I wouldn't be so sure about that. On second thought, hand me some sauce, Emma. I'll give my dish another shot and fix yours while I'm at it. Let's see how you like this. Here you go, Sarah. Thanks so much. This will fix everything, I'm sure. So much better. I'm happy that you're happy now. Both of us can really enjoy our meals, I guess, then. Well, that's strange. I can't sink my teeth into mine. I don't understand. Huh? Sarah, how'd this get here? Haven't a clue. Me first. Why? I want to. No, me. Fine, if you insist on being rude. Gold cookies? Amazing! They look like tons of gold coins. Only thing missing is milk. Ooh. The perfect combination. Sarah, stop staring at me already. I wasn't staring. I've got my own dish. Thank you very much. Whoa, and it's even better. I'm happy with what I have. Good, that means you won't get in my way. So much frosting. I'm diving right in. That looks disgusting. Who cares? Still tastes great. And you were right. This definitely needs milk. And I'll require a whole bucket of it for my cookie. Bombs away. Oh, Sarah, don't! I told you not to drop it like that.
Okay.
I'm definitely going first this time. Wow, silver donuts. I don't think you'll be able to pick them up so easily. Got my trusty magnet. They must be glued to the table. I can't grab any of them. All right. I'll help you out. Ah, they're flying. And now I'm left with just the one. That's what you get, Emma. Now I'll just sit here and starve. I hope I get to eat something. Wow, that will be more than enough to fill me up. You could share, you know. Gimme. No, it's mine. Let's look together. What a huge syringe. I've never seen anything like this. But what's inside? Can I give yours a taste? Why not? Ooh, I like it. Thanks. And now let's see what's in mine. Also yummy. Okay, return the favor.
Okay.
No problem. I am a champion shooter after all. Open wide. Emma, you completely missed my mouth. I'm soaked now.
Hey!
Sorry, it was an accident. Let me try one more time. No, thank you. Now look at me.
Oh, come on!
That makes us even. I suggest we help each other out this time. I think we both got the same kind of pizza. That's weird. They're so plain. But I can change that. I'll just sprinkle some gold on top.
Okay.
Just look at how well this is working. I can't wait to try a slice. Gold goes perfectly with pizza. Who knew? Oh, I'm drooling uncontrollably. I need to add some toppings to my pizza too. I'll just follow Emma's lead for that. Hey, that's not what I was going for at all. Nuts and bolts aren't appetizing in the least bit. Careful not to chip a tooth if you're brave enough to take a bite. When is this challenge gonna start? I do believe the answer is right now. Cute suckers. Huh? And why didn't I get anything? Maybe I just need to look around a bit? I don't understand what you're hoping to find. All the best things will end up on my plate no matter what. Sugar and chocolate. Such a great start. Huh? Looking at Emma and her treat makes me want to cry. But I can turn things around. Let's see how much she likes cardboard candy. Done! It looks just like the real thing. Oh, Emma, check this out. No way. My sucker is horribly tiny next to that one. How about we swap? I don't think so. All right, I'll pay you for it. Okay, I'm ready to sell this bad boy to you. 1, 2, 3, switch. Nice doing business with you. And you. Why are you smashing them up?
Oh no!
Because it's fun, and it'll make them a lot easier to eat. Watch and learn. Now I can eat my dessert with a spoon. I see no need to do that. I'll just be eating mine. Ugh, it tastes like paper. I'm so confused. It's a fake. You tricked me, Sarah. Surprise! Ooh. Huh? That's a lot of broccoli. I've only got a tiny piece. Hello? Bring me my golden powder right this instant. And hurry. It's already here.
Okay.
Fantastic. Sprinkle it on my broccoli. That's much better. Leave the golden go.
Okay.
Huh? Golden veg. Amazing. It's just so pretty now. And the taste is delightful. I think that if I add in chocolate, it'll be even better. Yep, it is. I never thought that broccoli could taste good. I'll try mine. Maybe it'll be better than I thought, though I doubt it. Wait, Sarah. Take some of this. Thanks, Emma. This will definitely improve things. Huh? Why isn't anything happening? Oh well, I'll try it like this. I think it's just regular old broccoli. Maybe, but your teeth turned gold. Cake? Huh? How nice. Again, I got the short stick. Well, one strawberry isn't bad.
Okay.
And if I add some chocolate to it, then it'll be perfect. I think I'll start with cake. I'll just what is that? I want something tasty. I don't want a berry. Calm down, Sarah. I'm begging you. Here, this one's covered in chocolate. Thank you. This I like. What's going on? Where'd this come from? Huh? Thank goodness you're back. Now I can eat in peace. I'm going to pour this right on top. Oh, it looks just to die for. Well, if you like it so much, then why not dive in face first, Emma?
Oh, come on!
Is that how you want to be? Take this. And the same for you. That's it. There's no stopping me now. Me neither. Burgers. I can barely see yours. It's so small, Sarah. Well, I like it. Though there's no denying yours could make anyone jealous. But I'm used to enjoying the little things in life. I'm ready to eat. Wow, it's just so pretty.
Wow.
This is definitely unusual, but weirdly it works. The combination of sweet and salty wins again. Watch it, Sarah. Fine, I'll let it go, but only this time. Anyway, I've got no time to waste thinking about all that. Oh, aren't you so sweet? Copycat. Green doesn't look good on you. The aroma is driving me nuts. This chocolate pours so nicely over my golden burger. I can't wait to try it. Ow! What's so hard in here? My tooth! There's a gold necklace inside? This is one time when that is not a pleasant surprise.
Uh-oh!
Wow, is this real gold? Cool! A massive donut encrusted with jewels. My treat. It's about 5 times bigger than mine. Per the usual, I'm banking on chocolate to turn things around. Wait, what is this? Broccoli again? My donut's stuffed with this stuff. That had to be disappointing. No getting used to that. I'm sure my donut will be fantastic. These crystals are so sweet. And so is the pastry itself and the frosting, too. I can only dream of tasting that. Afraid so. Huh? I don't understand. What is this, microscopic candy? Guess so. And you know what? I think it's pretty darn good. Chocolatey goodness. There's nothing to be happy about here. I prefer more filling dishes, personally. So I'll be planting my candy in some dirt, and I'll water it with gold Coke. Wow. Wow, cool. A real golden apple. And another one? I'm over the moon. I can't wait to sink my teeth into them. Yum. Emma, not cool. It isn't nice to throw food scraps at people. Though maybe I can use this? I'm gonna grow a whole tree, and I think the best plant food I can use would be chocolate. Wow! Huh? Sarah, where are you? Help! I'm scared of heights. I'll do what I can, Sarah. Ow! That hurt! Hey, it's a Kit Kat. So wait, candy grows on this tree? More, please. There's so much here. Emma, stop that! Oh, Sarah, hi. I asked for help, not for you to try and kill me. Sorry, I just got terribly distracted here.
Okay.
This will make you feel better.